Hi guys. Roger.
Chicken breast yun, no?
Lagi mali.
Alright guys, so vacant natin sa school. And mag-workout na muna ako para mamaya wala nang gawin. And bumili pala ako ng pre-workout carbs, electrolyte drinks, tsaka whey protein. Let's go. Track mo na sila ngayon. Let's start to track everything.
High protein oatmeal. May cookies yan.
Cute mo.
Let's go. Sobra ako ngayon, Brad. So, that's it for today, guys. Sobra ako ngayon. 3k calories ako ngayon. Pero mostly puro carbs. So, lagay ko na ulit dito yung calories and macros pang day 31. So, see you tomorrow, leg day.